Welcome to the second edition of the Advanced Endovascular course. We are here at the wonderful facilities of the Nova Medical School Simulation Center for another 3 days of very hard work.
In my point of view, an excellent way to test my capabilities in the area, as well to contact the experts and of course to discuss ideas as well and recent and new techniques.
We count on an excellent world-class faculty from different fields of specialists dealing with endovascular treatment. And we also count with a full house of participants that are very interested in knowing all the tips and tricks of the trade.
I would invite everybody to come next year for Advanced Endovascular Intervention. This is a really well-organized course, and you can get together with some other specialties, including cardiologists, vascular surgeons, and intervention radiology. You get in touch with some expensive and new devices that you cannot use in everyday practice, and so it's a really good opportunity to get in touch with the devices and other specialties and to gain some expertise.
If you haven't planned this yet, I welcome you to the wonderful city of Lisbon for the future editions of this course.